Hey friends, today we're going to be putting in a 22-foot round pool, and these go above ground, so we need to have the ground nice and flat. I did this 3 years ago with a 16-foot pool, and I'll show you how I'm going to do it and all the tools that I need to use, and then we'll make a video of the whole thing for you so you can see how it's done. If you have any questions, be sure to leave some questions or comments below. Let me show you what I did last time here. You can see the I actually made an 18-foot round circle because we put some landscaping blocks around the outside with some sand. So to get going today, I've got a 12-foot board, a 2x6, nice and straight. I've got a long string, a 12-foot long, tied off on both ends, so it'll hold the paint can on one side and a piece of rebar, half-inch rebar on the other side. I've got my half-inch drill, a level. The length of the level doesn't really matter much as long as the board is straight. So I don't care if it's a 6-inch, a 2-foot, a 4-foot, or 8-foot, doesn't really matter to me. I've got a piece of half-inch rebar, 36 inches long, and then a straight shovel. We're going to mark it off, start digging, and make it nice and flat, and I'll show you how this goes. Thanks for watching. Hey guys, it's going pretty good. The sun is bright today. We're expecting about 80 degrees, and I do got to take a break every once in a while, so you might see a break in the video every once in a while, and maybe a dog or somebody run through it. So I kind of move around in the shade a little bit if I can, and I'm gonna have to move the camera position too because it's getting too hot in the sun. So we'll keep on going. Thanks. Hey guys, All right, so last night my battery died, and I made some more progress. Sorry you didn't get to see it, and then we got sidetracked. So I think we were over by the yellow shovel last I had my battery working. That was kind of a low area, so I didn't have to dig out much. You can see there's still some grass in some areas. I might have to fill in a bit, and I don't have a whole lot left, maybe 25%. And then we use that, there's a little edger that we use to cut some grooves and make it a little easier for the shovel. So we cut some grooves in it, and we're gonna get to shoveling and get the rest of this out of here today so we can put the pool up. All right, thanks for watching. Hey friends, I got some help yesterday, and they were a little shy, so we kept the camera off most of the time, but we've got the circle all done. There's a little bit of a low patch there where the grass is, yeah, and then we're doing a little bit of fill in with some sand where there's any low areas that's supported by firm dirt. I'll put some sand in. The grassy area, if we find that that's going to be supported by the pool, then I might put some dirt in there and pack it down really good, but you don't really want to fill in too much when you're doing a pool. It doesn't hold up real good if you fill too much, unless you're using something really solid. So we will maybe put a little dirt there. I'm going to try to, I made the circle 24, a little over 24 foot, and the pool is 22 foot. So we've got some room to maneuver in there, and I'll probably put it tight to this side. We got some landscaping blocks. We're going to go around the edges, and then if it doesn't go all the way over to that side, that's okay. I'll keep the landscaping blocks tight to the pool, and then we'll fill in what we have to. So this is where we're at now, and we're going to continue on and fill in some low spots with some sand, and then I'll probably put the liner. I'm going to put a tarp down on the ground before we put the liner in and get the frame set up. So that's about where we're at. All right, see you in a few. And here is our finished product. We got our pool up, our landscaping blocks all the way around again. I usually fill those in with sand, put sand on the inside of them and through them and whatnot, keep debris, whatever. But the pool is nice and level. I got everything hooked up. We're filling it. Oh, we're maybe 6 inches full so far. This is going to take a few days, but everything looks nice and level. You can see the water level all the way around. And we should have no problems with the pool. Looks good. If you have any questions or comments, I look forward to them. Thanks a lot. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.